Hi guys, it's me Harper here, and today we're gonna do something really fun. So you can see we've got a bunch of American Girl dolls in there, a bunch of princess dolls too. But today we're gonna open up for the next generation dolls. It's like a school desk, so they can sit at. That's cool. Okay, so we just got everything open up, and now we're gonna go through and see what we got. Looks like we have a recycling bin, and then here, trash can. This would be a bad cup. It's got a bunch of holes in it. Fortune teller. Actually works. It's kind of cool. Let's open one up. You will be invited to a cool party. Give someone you love a big hug. You got, let's see, after school checklist, wash hands, maybe washing hands before dinner, empty, whoever wrote this has very sloppy handwriting. Cat snack?
Let's see if I can read that. Alright, let's see. Empty knapsack. That's like a backpack.
Oh.
Who calls it a knapsack anymore?
Do homework. I don't know about you guys, but I don't have homework every day. And free time. When does she eat dinner?
Good question.
Highlighter.
Let's see it. Neat. What's this thing?
This is probably to hold all of this stuff in. We got miniature scissors.
Be careful with those. Danger!
Probably put those in there too. At the end of the video, we're gonna test this out, see if it actually erases.
Okay, and if you're wondering what that little smudge is on Harper's face, she just had a cookie at a party beforehand.
Sharpener.
Whoops.
Oh look, got sharpener.
How did you get this, by the way?
Oh, I was at a sleepover yesterday, and I won it as a prize.
What'd you have to do to win?
Well, it was like, have you ever played like pin the tail on the donkey?
Yeah.
Well, it's like that, but it was like sticky cucumbers, like sticker cucumbers, and you had to put them on the spa lady's eyes.
Oh.
And whoever was the closest gets this.
So pin the cucumber eyes on the spa lady,
Yeah.
and you had to do 2 cucumbers, and you had the 2 closest.
Yeah, because both mine were touching.
Wow. Okay, what else does this kit have?
It's got sticky notes.
Ooh, sticky notes. Uh-huh. And they actually work?
It's got a ruler.
Mm-hmm. I like that it's got this little area here
Yeah, it's probably
for like books and
that.
yeah.
And then we got this, probably for holding books and stuff.
Uh-huh.
And then
She's a little organized girl, isn't she? Okay, notebook. Nice. See if it fits into the slot here. Or there. Yep.
which slot?
I was thinking there or in the little holder thing. Yes, very organized. What else does this come with?
You've got chair.
Uh-huh.
Stickers.
Well, yeah, you can't go to school without stickers.
I don't go to school stickers.
Which girl is going to test out the chair first? Is it going to be one of the ones in pajamas? Almost all of your dolls have pajamas on.
That's not true.
Harper loves pajamas on her dolls.
That girl.
Oh, and sports girls. And which one's this?
Lucky.
Lucky's going to school. All right, Lucky. Let's see if this all works. Looks like you just got off the basketball court and you're ready to sit down eventually. It all looks a lot like you,
Yeah, because it is me.
except for it doesn't have icing smudge on your face.
Yeah.
Wristband?
'Cause
Wristband. Basketball jersey? You had basketball yesterday. Nice clean desk with the chair tipped over, just like your school.
And then you have to stack at school. You have to stack our chairs. But at school, a lot of people stack them like this.
What?
Our chairs were too big for our desks. Yeah, other people do that. So we have to stack them like that.
That's how I used to do mine, like that. Okay, so,
But people stack their chairs like this. This is how I used to do.
and then that happens. Oh, now she's ready to learn. And I know you like to play school, so now you can actually sit them at the desk. Whoever is in trouble. Is this the trouble desk?
No, it's just on the desk.
In the trash can, the recycle bin, right there. Make sure you throw stuff in the right bin. Right. Okay, so this is our... I like this. That's a good prize.
Okay.
Okay. End it with a fortune teller. That one.
Okay, so this is 2. Pick a number.
How about that one? 6.
That's 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Whatever number this is.
2.
Yeah.
1, 2.
And 2 again.
1, 2.
How many times you gotta do this? Read me my fortune.
No. 5. It says
Okay, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one? Which number?
A. 4.
A. You didn't find number
It looked like an A. Is it a 4?
Yeah. You look great today. Do something nice today.
Yes. Do something nice? Okay. I'll do your homework.
That sounds good.
Oh, yeah, that. Do you think it really works? Let me feel.
No. What can I do?
Harper is going to test the eraser.
It's fake.
Fake. Fake pencils too, right? Hey, no drawing on your desk. All right. Go wipe that stuff off your face. Bye.